Hello, in this session we're going to cover first part of DataFrame object. DataFrame is a tabular structure like a spreadsheet that contains a collection of columns, and each of them can be of a different type. DataFrame has both row and column indexes. The easiest way to create a DataFrame is as a dictionary, where the dictionary keys have the same length. So, let's minimize this a bit and go to Spider. Initially, we are creating a dictionary X11 which has keys, state, year, and statistics. So here, all of them have the same length. The first one has the length of 5, then the second one has a length of 5, and the third one has a length of 5. Then all we have to do is X12 equal DataFrame with X11, and the DataFrame will be created. So first, from pandas, import star, then X11 equal, then we have Germany, again Germany, France, so 3 times it's France, then another key is year, so it's a list, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2021, and 2020. So notice the first one is of type string and the second one is of type integer. And we have a last key, statistics, with the values 1.5, 1.7, 3.6, 2.4, and 2.9. So this is a dictionary. Then X12 will be assigned the value from the data frame. Notice here, data frame, the F here is capital letter, and here we have X11. And print the result. Print X12 equal new line and X12. Let's execute this small program, and we'll notice that X12 will have 3 columns, state, year, and statistics. All of them are from here, from this dictionary. Column state has values Germany, Germany, France, France, France. So they are all from here. Column year has values 2020, 2021, 2022, 2021, 2020. All of them are from here. And column statistics has these values. Notice here that there are some values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you do not specify them, then they will have values from 0 up until the number of rows. In this case, there are 5 rows, so 5 minus 1 is 4. This is the last index of the data frame X12. The same result is shown here. Another way to create a data frame is to specify columns and index as parameter. In cases when the corresponding column says no data, the column will have none values or not a number values. X13 will be equal data frame. Where are we going to get the values? We are going to get the values from dictionary X11. And here now we'll have columns equal, the first one is year, which exists from the dictionary. Then we have another column which is state. State also exists in the dictionary X11. Then we have statistics. And we have another column which does not exist, which is column depth. And the index will be 1. Then we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have to print this out. Let's put here X13 and here X13. Let's also divide these lines with dashes. Print. Execute this small program. If we compare X12 and X13, the column year is here, but also it's here. Column state is in both places. The column statistics is in both places. However, here we have another column which is depth. because we are creating a column which does not exist from here. Also here we have row names which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We get this from here. The column names can be listed using attribute columns. So we can type x13.columns and all the columns will be displayed. So the columns in this case are year, state, statistics, and depth. So we can also print this out. So let's do some dashes. And then let's print this out. Print x13.columns equal and x13.columns. Execute it. So x13.columns is index, year, state, statistic, and depth. dtype is equal of object because some of them are numbers, some of them are strings, so it will put dtype equal with object. The column content can be listed by x13 from state and also by using x13.state. So it is using object-oriented approach. So we can have it x13 from state, and x13 from state will be Germany, then again Germany, France, France, and France. Here Germany, Germany, France, France, and France. And here the indexes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. However, if we type x13 dot and if we go to tab and we can put state, we are getting the same result. So in this case we are getting Germany, Germany, France, France, and France. So let's print this out, copy and paste this, and let's put, for example, here state and here state. Execute the small program and we'll have the same result as here. But here probably it would be good to put a new line, and let's do it again, and now they are better. Rows can be listed by methods lock, ilock, and ix, which is deprecated. So if we want to print a row, let's go again to console, type x13 and do x13.lock. If we want to print, let's say, row 3, then we have 3. And in this case, we'll get, for the column here, the value is 2022. For the column state, we get the value France. And for the column statistics, we get the value 3.6. For the column depth, we get value none. That's it regarding DataFrame Part 1. See you on the next sessions.